In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform calculations in Excel. Excel is an incredibly powerful tool for handling calculations, whether they're simple additions or more complex formulas. The first thing to grasp when tackling math tasks in Excel is that every calculation begins with an equal sign. While this might seem like a minor point, it's essential because it instructs Excel to interpret what follows as a formula rather than just mere text or numbers. Let's dive in with a basic example, adding numbers. You'll start by typing the equals sign followed by the numbers you wish to add, placing a plus sign between them. For instance, you would type equals, then 6 plus 4, and conclude by pressing enter. Instantly, Excel will compute and display the sum of those numbers. This same principle applies to other operations as well. If subtraction is your goal, the method is quite similar. Begin with the equals sign, input your numbers with a minus sign between them, and hit enter. Once more, Excel promptly delivers the difference. Transitioning to division, the procedure remains just as simple. Start with equals, type the numbers you intend to divide using the slash sign, and press enter. Typing something like 10, 2 and pressing enter will present you with the quotient in no time at all. Now, Excel's capabilities extend beyond basic arithmetic. If you're required to handle more advanced calculations, you use the same foundational step. Type the equal sign, then input your entire expression, whether that involves multiplication, division, or a combination of various operations, and Excel will do the heavy lifting for you. This is especially useful if you're managing lengthy or complex formulas without falling into mental calculations. Moreover, when the need arises to work with fractions, Excel has it covered. Direct your attention to the Home tab. There, within the number group, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select Number. By doing this, any fraction you enter into a cell is automatically formatted correctly. This handy feature is a real time saver and promotes consistency throughout your worksheet. So there you have it, the essentials of executing calculations in Excel. From straightforward operations like sums and differences to more intricate calculations, Excel tackles it all with remarkable precision. Just keep the equals sign in mind, and you'll be on your way to mastering math in Excel, simplifying your tasks, whether basic or complex. Happy calculating, and may your formulas work seamlessly.